recent videos we've looked at how the introduction of shrubs into the garden, things such as common buckthorn, older buckthorn and buddleias, can benefit wildlife. Today I'd like to look at a different shrub, and from the fantastic one behind me you've probably guessed we are talking about the hawthorn. Now these are more synonymous with the English landscape, and many of you will picture these as a typical hedgerow plant. Unfortunately, most of them don't really get much of an opportunity to flower because of course they are managed so strictly with flailing techniques these days that quite often they just are seen as a green box hedge, which is such a shame because, as you can see from this specimen here, they create this profusion of white flowers if left to grow into a tree. And really, in my opinion, they should be more there should be more hawthorn trees throughout the landscape, and certainly in back gardens, because they can actually support several hundred species of insects throughout the course of a year. Now, not only insects, there are great potential for bird nests as well. So things such as in the wider countryside, yellowhammer, whitethroat, hedge sparrow, or the dunnock as we may know it now. So many birds will actually use this to build a nest, but equally, if let to flower and if let to grow into a tree, they will have a fantastic source of berries through the winter months for any birds that are visiting from Scandinavia, things such as fieldfares and redwings, which of course is most of their staple diet. Now the beauty of hawthorn berries is they have less moisture content than crab apples and things like that and slowberries, so they do last longer, so further into the winter month, which of course is a great thing for these birds. Now if you can, get one and plant it in a full sun or semi-shade setting, and they really will be such a fantastic resource for so much wildlife. I'll also put a little clip in now of a common butterfly. I saw a nectarine on this individual just yesterday.